All right, all right, all right. Cool, cool. Okay. So, yeah. Nice. All right, looking good. Okay, guys, what's up? So I'm going live right now, continuing to go through the different coins that I have, the different coins that I own, and also I want to go through all of these coins from this. Where is it? Um, Hold on a second. I had a. Here it is. So I posted this, drop whatever coins you want me to chart below, and I got a bunch of coins. So yeah, I'm gonna go through those, and I'm going to, yeah, I'm gonna figure that out. All right, so let's go through here. I have another computer right here that I'm going to be actually, setting my orders in and stuff like that, because I don't want to accidentally show something on on this screen or whatever. But yeah. Yeah, all right. Cool, 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 cool. So, I did Dogecoin last time, and now I'm going to go. I'm going to keep on going. So, I did Dogecoin, and now I'm on LRC. So, LRC was the last one that I did. And that was. Yeah. Loop ring, right? So what do I got? What do I got for loop? I got a sell at 0.482. Yeah, a sell at 0.482 and a second sell at 1.19. So 1.19 is pretty fucking high, I'm not gonna lie. All the way up here, right? Yeah. Another one right there. So my sell is right there, and I'm definitely selling all of it. The rest of it I have up here, and but my first one is gonna be conservative. So I have a conservative one, and I have a all-time high one. So hopefully Loopring does that. Next up, I have what do I have? Man Network. So let's see. Oh, I started selling. So I started selling my Man Network. Pretty solid so far. I'm actually in the green. I'm actually in the green in Man. So. All right. So, I like Man a lot because it is called Matrix AI Network, which is a very, very good name. This is the most hyped name you could get. Matrix AI Network. Are you kidding me? We're entering the Matrix. So yeah, I sold 75% of my bag here because where did I initially buy it? I initially bought it at 1.5. So somewhere right around here and here is where I oh no, I bought it even before that. Either way, I sold some right here, and I'm looking to rebuy. So I'm trying to rebuy what I sold. And where do I want to set my rebuys at? That's the question. So let's check the weekly. For Matrix AI, this is all the way from 2021. So this is, who knows what's going to happen. Is it going to, reach all-time highs again? I don't know. I'm literally buying this off of the name alone. Or at least I bought it off of the name alone because it's, AI token. All right, so this was the demand zone. It's no longer there, so I could get rid of this, get rid of this. Let me just get rid of all of this, to be honest, and just do a brand new chart. So if I do a brand new chart, this was the major low. So this whole area right here was like, if it's above here, it's looking good. If it's below here, I don't want to touch it. And it's, as long as it's above here, it's good. So now that it's above, the best area is this right here, because this is the weekly bullish order block. It is, yes. Okay, so let me put that in. Weekly bullish OB right there. So let's see if this lines up with the 61.8. Not even close. This lines up with the 50%. 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, no, you wouldn't take it from here. You would take it from here. So let's go down to the daily chart. See what the daily looks like. So yeah, honestly, this is pretty solid. Now, is man only on KuCoin, or is man on? I don't think there is a Bybit. I think it's only spot. Okay, so man looks like it's only spot. So I was just checking to see if there is also something else. But this is the area that I would want to buy in underneath the 50%. Honestly, I think that this is going to be where I'm going to throw my buy-in for man. It's going to be at 0.021, basically 0.0211. That's what I'll say. So let me put that in here, and I'll say I want to edit this, and I'll buy this at 0.0211. 0.0211. I don't know if I have enough on KuCoin to actually do this. Let me double check. Double checking this. So, okay, I do have a position on KuCoin right now of man. And do I have any free? I do still have some free available funds. So I'm going to use the available funds I have to potentially get in to man here. So let me create a buy order at 0.0211, 0.0211, and I will put just a tad, just a small, a little bit, just a nibble, I don't want to go overboard. And because also there's not enough liquidity, I don't think, to actually do anything, to actually go really big with it, And where would I want to sell? Where would I want to sell man? Let's see. let us see here. We got, well, this right here is the clear top, and it's by the 1.6. Yeah, I like that. Also, it's all relatively close. So I wonder if we do the fib extension from the bottom to the top to the bottom. Yeah, this whole area up here is pretty much where I want to get out. I mean, that's over 100%. So I'm gonna stick with this area. Big resistance, big support. You know, that's always the first thing to do is like, look at the big resistance, look at the big support, see where it is. And let me go back down to the lower time frames, put this on, and let me do a little shaboom. And little 5R trade right there. I'm gonna make this an idea, and this is man, and I'm just gonna say AI narrative. Cool. I'm gonna change this to English. Copy, and I'm gonna paste this in my Discord in the ideal buy zones right there. All right, so we got man, and I have my order in the books. Cool. All right. Next up, what's the next coin that I have? Next coin that I have is Ajax. All right, let's look at Ajax. So, where did I buy Ajax? Dude, Ajax. Oh my god. Ajax, I'm so mad at this coin right now. Just going back and seeing, oh, they have Ajax on a futures contract. Awesome. Do they have it on Bybit though? Yes. Okay. Sweet. So I got to put in an order on Bybit as well. But mine is KuCoin. So first off, let me see what it is against Bitcoin. How has Ajax been faring against BTC? Like in 2022, up against Bitcoin, 10 times more than Bitcoin. That is nuts. That is absolutely nuts that it did that. Sorry I can't see the comments on TikTok, but I can check the comments on YouTube. So if you want to check me out on YouTube, that would be pretty sweet. Anyway, and also actually here, maybe I could comment something on TikTok. I don't remember how to do it. Okay, host, how do I comment? That is the question. Flip camera, settings, comments. Okay, here we go. So in case you wanted to copy paste that into your browser, that's my YouTube right there. Would love it if you could just follow and like and subscribe to my YouTube. So where was I? Oh right, Ajax, the fucking coin. This freaking coin. You know what I did with this? I bought this coin. I literally bought this coin at such a good level, all the way down here. Right? I bought it here. I bought more here, and then when this tanked, I was a pussy because it tanked on the weekly time frame below this these lows. And to me, that is bad. Let's be real here. Tanking below here is bad. Below this major support. But that just ended up being like, it looked like I guess this is a liquidity hunt or market manipulation, whatever you want to call it, because it just had this massive rally with no pullbacks whatsoever right underneath here. So I was buying. It fell underneath here, consolidated, and then had this big bearish candle right here. So I was like, all right, well, this is done. So I sold it. It popped up, and then I bought it back. Where did I buy it back? It popped up, and then had this, and yeah, I guess I bought it back right over here, right here. Once it popped up and then came back down, I bought it right there. And so that, I mean, it's still up significantly, but it's, 44% from my buy, but damn, it would have been up 77%. So that's trading for you, though. That's just what happens. You can't. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I messed up on so many occasions, which is why I have my 2 accounts, though. That's why I have my trading account and my longer term investment account. And this was in my longer term investment account, and I should have just done it. Should have just held it like my plan. I always say have a plan and trade your plan, right? It's like plan your trade and trade your plan. I plan my trades. I don't always trade my plan. That's the difference. That's the annoying part. So on the weekly, obviously this is the biggest level, but I don't see it. I mean, hell, if it comes all the way back down here, that would be pretty crazy. I just don't see that happening. So, what am I gonna do? Let me get rid of this. This is all-time high, so I'd probably want to sell right there from the bottom. Let's see here, bottom to the top, 61.8, boom. So it hit the 78.6. So the 78.6 was the big thing. So this is going to be an area right here for sure that is going to be a place to sell. Sell some, right? And then obviously this is the last area up here. I would say right. No, where is it? Let's go down to the daily. All right, so the weekly, you can't really tell on the weekly, but if we go down to the daily, this is the daily top right there. And it's pretty much it. Yeah, so that's the daily top right there. So on Ajax, what do I want to do for Ajax? The question is, though, it's like, is it just gonna? I mean, this is clearly these 2 areas are clear resistance areas. It's just like when we have a real run, it's gonna run past these, like for sure. It's definitely gonna run past them. So where would I look to buy right now? That's the question. Well, let's say that this is the top. This could technically be the top. If this is the top, then the 38.2 right here does line up really well with a lot of areas, actually. So yeah, this is my buy zone for Ajax. And I already did Doge. Literally just go on my YouTube and go to my live stream and then click like halfway in and you'll see Doge. Not this live stream, the last live stream though. Okay, so this is gonna be my thing for this is gonna be my buy zone for Ajax right here. I think that's it. Yeah, I think this is I'm gonna sell some right there. I'm gonna sell some right there. So 26. Let's see here. 0.26051 to 6051. It's gonna be a limit order. It's gonna start right there. I'm not gonna put in that much, not gonna go in too heavy. And my first take profit will be at 4243. So 4243. That'll be that. And then my second take profit is 577. 577. All right. So, and then I'll hold a moon bag. I'll hold like 20%. I'm going to hold like 20% as a moon bag. So that is Ajax right there. Already up. Already doing okay, but I like Ajax. So Ajax is another AI coin. Nice, basically a coin that I want to have in my portfolio just because AI is the obvious narrative and just makes sense. So let me publish this idea and just throw it in my ideal buy zones. Lewis, there are some quant maxis out there. I used to be a quant maxi. Like, let me see if I could go back to the comments. Can I do that? No. What up, Tim Van Het Endy. What a name. That is sort of epic. I don't know why. I love it. That's awesome. Anyway, let me get back to this. All right, so I have this in here. I'm gonna throw it in my. I gotta throw this in my Discord group because there's no point in me keeping this all to myself. Oh shit, I forgot. I also have to make alerts. So let me put an alert on here. Ajax hitting buy zone. All right, so we got that, and I'm gonna put Ajax hitting sell zone. Boom, right there. So now we got 2 alerts in for Ajax. Solid. What's the next coin? The next coin up in the list is going to be PZP. PZP. This is Play Zap. So we got Play Zap. What's your predictions on BTC correction and what altcoin to buy now for curly? Now, Dogecoin probably. Bitcoin correction probably at the 61.8 golden ratio, which is around $48,000. That's what I think. So let's see. PZP, Play Zap. What do I got here? I got 1, 2, big move up for 3. ABC. I could still see this happening. So I'm going to lower this down. This is going to be my buy for Play Zap. What is this alert? Let me see. What do I have? Copy, paste. Basically the same thing. So we'll see if this happens. We will see if this works. This is gonna be a long-term hold for me. So let me see if I have this in here. I got 1 order in already. Then I'm gonna have to put another order, and then I have another order in at 0.3041. 0.3041. So I got that in. And honestly, I think that might be what I want to do. I don't think I want to put more into it. Although, who knows? Like, maybe I should. And then where's my sell orders? Okay, so I have sell orders in here, but I'm going to take them off because there's no point. Like, I don't know. Or what I'll do is I'll just make like multiple sell orders, just like moving up every single time it moves up. I'll sell like 10% or actually, why even do that? Like, no, I think I'm just gonna not sell. This is such a tough one because it's a long-term hold, It's like massive, massive, massive potential. I think that's what I'll do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this right here. Yeah, perfect. Okay. I'm gonna scale. I'm just gonna continually scale out of this, and we're gonna see from the bottom. Oh wait, I'm not charting on this chart. What am I doing? So if you take it from the bottom, right? This is the bottom. Well, I guess this is the bottom. So if you take it from the bottom, and then you just like see how high it could go. You know, this is 3,900%. I think 5,000% is a pretty decent. I think that's a pretty decent amount, right? So I'll just scale out up to, up to 1.83. And that'll really, who knows? Who knows? This is sort of like something that I'm literally just gonna be buying these things and holding them and waiting until the true bull market comes, which I'll be fair, I don't think it's gonna happen until 2025. So so we'll see. But yeah, I'm not planning on really selling any of this stuff. I'm actually just like saying that this is potentially going to zero, but these coins, a lot of them are researched and pretty high level stuff, like with really good founders, really good teams. So I don't want to just, I think they're good. Like if you think that something's good, why would you sell it? I don't know. It just doesn't make sense. If you're trading it, then yeah, obviously sell it. But if you're doing trading, but I combine the two, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, that's PZP, and I'm just gonna say, buying and scaling out up to $2, I guess. This text is so fucking big. We'll see if it comes down to my buy zone. If not, yeah, just gonna do that. All right, got the public idea. Copy. We'll see what these do. We'll see what happens with these. Okay, next up on the list. What do we got? We got, I already did Ajax, I already did PZP, and I already did Man. Is that all I have for... All right, that's my KuCoin account right there. Is literally... I mean, there's also ILV. I do have ILV, so... Let me see... Let me check ILV real quick. If you don't know what ILV is, it's Illuvium. It is the coin that I lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Yeah. No bueno. No bueno with Illuvium. I thought $300 was such a steal. Nope. Anyway. I was so pumped. I bought it like here and it pumped all the way up here. And then I sold it and it came all the way down here. I was like, oh, I'm going to buy it again. And it's like, no, just fucking lost so much money on this shit. So this was my original, but it hasn't really popped off. So I guess I gotta delete all these. If it this is gonna be this is probably gonna be low, $400. Let's see, 400. That's only it's only a 2x, but it's so heavy. It's so heavy. So I don't know. Let's see here. Edit. I'm gonna sell some. I'm just gonna sell it. I'm just gonna wait at 400. 400. Yeah, 390. 397. 397. That's what I'm gonna do. 397. This is like, it's either gonna absolutely crush it, or it's gonna just tank. All right, it is really, am I dark? I'm like super dark. I need to, I need to do something about the light. I need to turn some lights on in this because I'm like really dark. Okay, so apparently 380. Okay, so apparently LVL, wait, no, ILV on KuCoin is different. So on KuCoin, it's 380. So I'm gonna sell it at 380. That's what I'm gonna, well, 360 is what I'll do. Is I'll sell it at 360 and just say, hopefully everything gets, sold at 360. And I'll make a little bit of money, I guess. All right, place order. Done. All right, so next, why Doge? What do you think about BitRock, PAL, and Hello, Aptos? Okay, so why Doge? Doge because I'm obsessed with Doge. Doge is probably, it's not my, honestly, it should be my biggest position. If my target gets hit on Doge, my entry, if it comes down just a little bit longer, a little bit more, and I get filled, it's going to be my biggest entry by far, because Elon Musk has already said and created the paperwork and signed for Twitter to become a cryptocurrency exchange or a money exchange of some sort to be able to move money around on Twitter. And obviously, whenever that gets announced, that's going to just blow Doge up out of the water. So that is why Doge. What got rejected? Hold on, let me go turn on the lights. Liven things up a bit. Cool. So that should, now I shouldn't be so dark. I was like super fucking dark and on YouTube. I love Rec, but I see you're on YouTube something to all. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, no, John, if you want to go live, then shoot me a DM or something, because I have to get through these charts. I can't be doing anything else right now. I have to get through these charts. It's like super important. So that is all of them for all of my coins that I had for KuCoin. So now let's go on to another account. See what else I got. Okay. My gem list. All of the gems that I'm in. This is going to be great. So if you joined my last live stream, then, which was 30 minutes ago, you would have seen that my alert for Dione went off and I bought a bag. So I bought a bag like right here, basically where it is at right now. Not a very big one. In fact, a very small one. And now I'm just gonna wait. I mean, it's at support. You buy at support, you sell at resistance. So this is the big resistance for Dione is 0.00503. So let me yeah, I'm going to actually just put this on right here. solid 78%, you know, solid 6.69 R. Let's see what happens with Dione. Myro, what is Myro? Next Solana meme coin. Dude, Solana meme coins, that is like, you gotta be quick with that. I don't even mess with that. Like, where do you even buy? Do you have to buy those on like some type of decentralized Solana net or something? You know, like, I don't know. Were you here? Yeah, remember when I made that $10,000 meme coin account last bull run? I literally made it. I made it at like the exact Pico top, and it immediately went to zero. It immediately went to like 20,000, and then immediately dumped all the way down to like two. It lost like 80% and went down to like 4,000. And then I sold everything except for SHIB, and then SHIB rocketed up, and it and then it's actually like made up for all of the losses, which is like incredible. It's just like a shotgun approach. Just buy everything, and you'll lose on 99% of what you buy, but you will win. The winners will outperform the losers by tenfold or 100-fold. So you'll end up actually doing okay. All right, so now we got that out of the way. We got Dione. What's next on the list is, what do I got here? I got Change. This is a good one. Never heard of it. Never heard of Silo. Oh shit, look at Change doing its thing. Okay. Solid. Now, let me check my charts on Change. Oops, what is this? Get out of here. Here we go. Of course I sold it. Bought it right back. Thank God. One of the only ones I actually bought back. All right, I have a good entry. I have a really solid entry of 0.097. 0.097. So I got in right here. Awesome. So, and this is a pretty big bag too. So Change is a coin that I really like because it was suggested to me from by someone who I really like. So yeah, I am in here. I am not selling it, and to be honest, I probably shouldn't even sell it like ever, but this is some bullish looking. This is a bullish looking chart. This is very bullish to me. Is it gonna? Honestly, I'll get rid of this. I don't think it's gonna come back down there, because look at this giant sweep. There's still 4 more days, and anything could happen. It's crypto. I get that, but now it's like where big support, resistance, so big support, resistance. This fucked a bunch of people over, I'm sure. Boom, support, and now it's rocketing up. So it's honestly, this is going up here. This is on its way to 0.17485 total, and then probably higher. This I don't want to sell. I'm looking at this right now and I'm thinking, I don't want to sell this. But obviously I sell some. You have to sell some, right? But I don't want to go I don't want to go crazy with my sells. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see where my buys are. Not where my buys are. I'm going to see where my sells are. Edit my position. So I'm going to edit this. Okay. So I bought it, and now I need to see where I'm going to sell it, and I'm going to be selling it. What did I say? 0.17485? Okay. 7485. Could you look at a stock chart? The only stock chart that I looked at was Coin, and I am up significantly on it. And now Hood. So I have orders. I have big orders in for Hood, going from $10 down to $9.50 for Hood, and it makes sense. Just trust the process. Trust the process. All right, so I'm gonna sell 20% here. No, I'll sell 25% there. Okay. So I have my sell order in for change, but like where else? It's like where else will I want to sell? So I guess if we take this, and then we could also take the fib extension. Do any of them line up? This is a pretty decent lineup right here. They don't really line up that well. Maybe. Yeah, not really. I mean, 0.48. I think 0.48's the. All right, I'll set alerts in at 0.48 to sell. For 8. Yeah. All right. Cool. And of course, you gotta sell at under $1. It's probably a good idea to sell under $1 as well. So definitely gonna be doing that. And then I'll just have to check after that. So we got change. How much would $1 be? That'd be 1,000% so far from here, right? Just about. Oh, it would be 900%. Okay. Cancel this. And I'm gonna put the daily chart up. I'm gonna put this. Zoom in. Yeah, this is pretty good. Public. Where would I want to buy more of this though? That's a question. That is a question. I already have a lot. I don't really want to buy anymore. Change. All right, all right. So we got that. Next up, what do we got next? We got space. Space. Microvision chain. Microvision chain. Damn, I keep on forgetting. Okay, so now we're going to go into Microvision chain space. So first things first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, not really. That doesn't really work. Let's look at the, I mean, on the weekly, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. It could potentially come back down here. I'm not gonna lie, it could, but so right here is, wait a minute. Hold up. Oh, this is good. This is good. Okay, this is gonna be a buy. This is definitely gonna be a big buy for me. I mean, look at that. Look at this. Are you kidding me? It's perfect. Previous highs, lots of liquidity, the 61.8. You can't really get better in this. I mean, you can. You get a lot better in this, but like, it's just, and it might come down to 15. It might come down to 15, but I'll be in at 17.9. So, boom. We'll see what happens. Let's go on a 12 hour. And this is space. This is Microvision chain. So Microvision chain at like 17.5. Microvision chain at 17.5 is really good. Like, I could see that. I could see that happening. So let me do this. I mean, there's definitely a possibility of it coming down to 12.7, but it is what it is. So we got space. Next up. Ooh, I actually, should I sell now to try to rebuy? It is 18%. It's just about 18%. So, yeah, I think I actually, think I might want to sell. So I'm going to put in a sell order and then try to buy it back lower because I really don't like the way that it's looking right now with all of these wicks. Especially this one. This is really bad. Like, they're all bad, to be honest. So yeah, let me fix this up real quick because this, I don't like the way that it's looking, and I would much rather be able to get in lower, sell it and get in lower. But it's possible that I'll sell it and I won't get, like, it'll just pop up, it'll just keep on going up. LCX actually was had some hype around it. Like a while ago though. That was like sort of a long time ago. So I don't really know, you know, what it's looking like now. But it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad last time I checked. So all right, let me try to sell this. All right, so I have my sell order in here for space. So I'm just trying to sell it like, a little bit higher. And then hopefully I could get in at 17.7. That's what I want to do. 17.7. Put in decent amount. I'll start it out at 17.9. And then sell it. I don't really want to sell this. I would like to hold on to this. So yeah, that's space. We got that down. All right. Buy on Radium. What's the take on Richard Hart's coins? Richard Hart's probably gonna go to jail, and his coins are probably gonna go to zero. I like to use the pitchfork, mark the lows and the highs of the next low. Mark the lows. I can't see this. What is this? Can I just I don't know. The pitchfork. Oh yeah. I know what you're talking about. I've used that before. Damn. Hopefully the space comes up, because I literally bought it here. Well, I bought it back here. But this is not looking good. I don't really like the way space is looking. But from a fundamental perspective, it's obviously it's got the hype. That's for sure. And it's got a lot of people on Twitter looking up to it. So yeah, can't be wrong with that. All right, so next up I got Caspa. I got Cas. Why do I only have, it says I only have $23. I don't know why. So damn, I honestly think I have too much space. That might be an issue. Might be an issue having too much space. Whatever. It's fine. Actually, no, it's not. It's not fine. It's this is too much for sure. I need to get rid of this. Just give me a second here. I'm gonna sell more. There you go. I'm gonna try doing that, because I don't feel comfortable holding that much. Okay, so now that we got rid of that, now we're going on to the next, which is Cas. So I have Cas, and where is it? Do I not have it? Oh no, I have it. Okay, cool. I was looking for it on my chart. So Cas, USDT, and we have Cas, USDT. Gotta say, not looking too bad. Looking like look at this. This is a ascending triangle in a bullish uptrend. Continuation happens 60% of the time. Only issue is that this uptrend it's a pretty damn big one. It's a pretty damn big uptrend. 1,127% just from May. just from May of this year. And oh man. Do you know where I bought originally? I originally bought gas is right there. Is around right around here. This is where I originally bought gas. 7,000%. 7,300%. You know where I sold it? Like right around there. Right around there. Oh, only 6,000%. Only a 6,000% difference. Whatever. I made it up in Tau network. Okay, cool. What to do with Cass? Do I want to buy it? Like, that's... It seemed, looking at the chart, it seems irrational. So, it's like, before we have this, we need to do this, is what we need to do. Support. Boom, boom, boom. Resistance. Boom, 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 boom. Big resistance, actually. This is pretty big. 0.15 is big resistance. Big resistance for Cass. I want to buy it. I want to keep it. I had all of my buy orders for down here. None of them got hit. So I guess I'm going to cancel this position, because that's not happening. And I guess the next... Yeah, the only other option I see is to set a buy order in down here in the support. That's pretty much it. Let's check the fib as well. Honestly, I would set it here. I would set it here. Or nah, this is it. This is the ideal buy zone right here. This is the ideal buy zone. I mean, are we gonna get it? Hell if I know. But this is the ideal buy zone for Kaspa. Like, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set an order in for there. Oh, fuck. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set an order in for there. Do I have... Shit, I am down in my Kaspa order right now. Because for some reason, I thought it was going to be a good idea to buy it. Oh, that's what I did. I bought the breakout. Never buy the breakout. Never buy the breakout, boys and girls. Seriously. Buying breakouts is so dumb. Fuck, I could have gotten out. All right, so... difficult position, right? I'm in a difficult position right now. Because I'm not particularly liking this. I'm not particularly liking the way this is looking. On the... but it still has potential. It still has a lot of potential. I mean, look at this. So I'm liking it like this. I'm liking this. What I'm not liking is the horizontal resistance, resistance, resistance. And I'm also not liking the fact that it closed above it, fell back below it. But I did say this last time. I said I'm going to buy a little bit right here. I'm going to buy more right here. And I do think that it has the possibility of coming down here. So I'm just gonna hold my long. I'm gonna hold my long. Try to get out a little bit higher, because we are still in this nice little uptrend we got going on here, you know? So let me chart this out. Yeah, exactly what it looks like. Okay. Try to get out right there. Did I sell some? I guess I did sell some. Weird. Anyway. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. I should have music on this. Why don't I have music on? I need to get some. Okay, this is saying that I have an order, but it's not saying. Okay, I need to log in to my actual exchange, because this is not telling me that I have anything. Give me a second here to log in. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Just give me. I don't. So all these exchanges have so many pop-ups. It's like just. I don't want it to be. I don't want the pop-ups. You know. CAS. All right, here we go. I got a CAS position right now. It is open. P&L already pretty far down, to be honest. This is no bueno. No bueno. I think I just got carried away with this one. But luckily, I use proper risk management, but it's like, I still hate losing. As does everyone, you know? Amazon, I don't mess with Amazon. Quite annoying. Quite annoying. Damn, on the 1 hour, this doesn't look good. Look at this. That looks pretty bad on the 1 hour. Like, I almost want to reverse my position and just short it and see if I could short this. Like, I hate this trend line here. Is like, it's a good trend line, but this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. So my position isn't huge. I could do a few things with this. Dude, Pi, are you kidding me? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have my TP here. And if it comes down, if it does come down, there's such a good opportunity for it to bounce that I'm gonna have to, that I'll just, yeah, if it comes down, I'll add to my position because it's not the biggest position in the world. And once I do that, yeah, once I do that, then that'll be. But this account I want to be my trading account. So it's a tough. I'm in a tough spot right now. Only because of my other plays, like the other plays that I have. Really. That's a terrible daily candle. Holy shit. That is such a bad daily candle. But what did I say? Oh, right. I know what happened. .06. This is Caspa. All right, so this is the range right here. So we got the range low, range low, range high. Range low, range high. Typically, what you want to do is you want to buy within the range near the lows. So you would want to buy down here. You would not want to buy here. I bought the breakout and I am severely paying for it right now. High, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low. But on the higher time frame, this essentially is low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So maybe it'll do this, you know, create another higher low until there's yeah, I don't know. I still think Cost has another. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep my position. And I will double down. Right here. The take profit at 0.128. Yeah, that looks right. Yeah. All right, so that's what I'm doing with costs. what I'm doing with gas. Yeah. The benefit of going in with not super large lot sizes, super large like size, is that you can keep on going in and average down if the price continues to fall. All right, so I got COS, I got COS. Now I got Engine. I do like the way Engine is looking. Why did I mean, nah, I think doing a breakout trade is reasonable. Yeah, I need to automate this shit. This is like, there we go. Not really on the insights on CRV. Actually, I do like Engine. This is like a really good weekly chart. I mean, look at this. Breakout followed by 3 weeks of like bullish candles followed by a breakout. This is what you want to see. I am absolutely keeping my Engine long. Like, there's no way that there's no way this comes down back below this level. I mean, there is. There's always a way. But like, I would be so surprised. I would be so surprised if if this came back down here. Like, Engine's looking really good. This looks like a good chart. So yeah, came down to the no, it didn't. Like, the lowest I see this coming down, like, this is a good chart. .30 3028. Okay, I actually like this one. So finally, I'm not so worried about my Caspa trade now because at least I'm in Engine and Engine looks good. $30.26. Cool. I mean, it could also come down there, but it is what it is. Either or. Sure, sure. I could do quant. Okay, Alan. Here's quant. Yeah, this is what I had for quant. So honestly, quant's looking pretty solid. Damn. Um, as you could see, started off at 100 basically, and it pumped up, fell all the way back down to 100. It was $90. It was, the low was like 85, 86, but like it was pretty much $100, right? Had a nice pump up to 150, back down to 100, pump up to 150, and then it just slammed down to $43. All right, pumped up back to 100, and it had some hesitation. So there was a lot of hesitation at 100. But once it pumped up above there, once it came back down, that $90 to $100 level, major support again. And obviously, in October 2022, pumping all the way up to $200 was insane. Followed by, you guessed it, a drop down to $100, all the way back up, all the way back down, and it's always a little under 100. It's always like 95. It's always 95 because like I guess people buy at 100, but they like get scared, so they sell it under 100. But there's always all these wicks right here. So yeah, 95, 95, 95, 95, whatever. And then fell below it, and now it pumped up above it. Lots of good wicks. These are long. These are fairly long wicks to the downside, followed by this one was concerning. This candle was okay, but it was pretty good. And now we're having this one. So obviously now we're in a good one because this one, broke above the previous market structure. So we're in a good market structure on quant right now. Obviously there's this issue right here with like, resistance, but I don't, there's always going to be something that is not in your favor when looking at charts, right? So you just have to say like, well, what is in your favor? Well, obviously, if it falls back down to this like bullish order block right here, that would be a way to get in immediately. Like this is so yeah, 102 is where I would absolutely have a buy because it is both the golden ratio and the $100 psychological number and the bullish order block. Yeah, 102 is where I would get it. So let me put that in here. All right. Take profit. All right, cool. So I just put that in. I mean, honestly, if I can target all the way up, target all the way up here, might as well. If we're as bullish as everything is, you know. Yeah. I like that. I like this. I'd probably sell that at 145. Close enough to the 150 mark, you know? All right. No, that's annoying. Come on, man. So I have shit. That just looks like shit. Dude, what the fuck? Really? Okay. Pyth. So I literally just bought I bought a huge bag of this and I'm down on this because I bought it the other day. I bought it like here. Obviously, I should have used some TA on this, but I just bought it straight off of the recommendation of someone. Thoughts on the big Doge event coming up? I don't know. I have a lot of Doge and I love it. Hope it goes up a lot. Do you take the 70% gain on HNT? I don't have any HNT, but if you're up 70%, sounds like a good idea to me. This is such a bad looking chart, but it was so good. It was such a good looking chart like 2 seconds ago. But these fuckers are really pissing me off. Okay, so this is Pyth. Incredibly annoying. Incredibly annoying. Look at the daily chart. It's like, did everyone just like, I know exactly, all the pre-sale people fucking sold it and made bank. Bearish dive. She got the bearish divergence. This chart went from looking so good to looking so bad so quickly. God damn it, dude. This is like, somebody was paying these guys to mess with this chart this way. There's no way. Why is 47 cents such a huge, it's such a huge resistance. It's 47 cents. This is so fucking annoying. I knew I should always do TA. I'm not doing technical analysis on half these coins that I buy, and it fucks me over. When I do technical analysis, it works. When I don't, I get fucked over. I like how this made the lower low, higher low. I guess higher low 1, higher low 2, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. It's making, I mean, technically low, high, low, higher high. Low, high, lower low. But then it came all the way back up to the range high. This is ranging. This is just in this fucking range. It's not trending. And like, this is what has screwed so many people over. I'm a trend trader, and this is ranging. So yeah, it's just not, it's not part of my system. I really want to sell, but I know that this shit's manipulated as fuck, and I know it's going to pump like more sooner than later, but it's just like, do I have the balls to come all the way down and lose another 7% from where it is now? Uh, it's a tough one. It's a tough one. It's a fair. I like how it's a new chart. I like how this is a new chart. I like how this essentially is big move up, followed by some consolidation slash this could be known as an accumulation phase. This could be known. This could be accumulation. What's I mean, basically the chart just like had a nice move up, and the issue here is that when I see this happen, it makes me think that the price is going to come back down to here. And if it does that, that's 20%. I don't think I could afford that. I think I will get liquidated before it reaches there. So I have to get my, I think I have to take the L. I think I have to take the L on this. I mean, this is essentially, this is the range right here, right? It's at the 50% right now. This is the buy, this is the sell. I bought the breakout right here, the 1 hour chart breakout. And because I saw it like, okay, resistance, breakout. So the third, it's usually like third time's the charm. It's usually like it's like a battering ram on a door. Like it rams the door, and then pushes through the door. Also, this candle was pretty good. It was a really good candle. So the only issue is that this candle right here, if it closes beneath here, it's sort of fucked. This is the down move before the up move that broke the market structure to the upside. So it acted as a bullish order block. Okay, great, perfect. That's exactly what you want to see. And essentially it did create a higher high. We did have a higher high. But now it's like, are we going to, like, was this just a deviation? Was it a fake breakout? Fake breakout? Or is this just like some bullshit? Technically speaking, when you get this move down, or I guess when you get this move back down into the range, that's when you would just say, okay, I'm gonna short the range highs, or I'm gonna short, the bearish order block, I guess, this move right here, and then target the range lows right there. But everything's really bullish right now, so I sort of don't want to man, I don't know if BTC is gonna, I think BTC is gonna go up a little bit more, but like eventually it's gonna go up a lot more. Usually there's a big correction, but this looks worse on the floor. It's just, if I would have seen this, I should have checked yesterday. I didn't check this yesterday. If I would have seen all of this like yesterday, or no, literally 4 hours ago. Damn it. If I saw this at the beginning of my stream, 1, 2, 3. If I saw this at the beginning of my stream, I would have immediately sold. It would have been like, I would have immediately sold. Right there. Shit. Now I have to really think about this. This looks like shit. I should probably sell some. I have to sell some. I have to use risk management, It's like I can't fucking be in this shit show. This looks like absolute dog shit. And I fucking hate it so bad. Maybe I'll sell it, and then I'll, try to buy back a little bit lower, because this is I'm about to hit my, yeah, this is not going to work out. This is literally not going to work. All right, so let's see. What do we got going on here? Pyth. These fucking these wicks on Pyth suck. And it's going to close in an hour. The daily is going to close in an hour. The day closes like this. That looks so bad. I'm going to place my stop loss like a few... 1% lower. I will place my stop loss 1% lower than where it is right now. Just in case, like, you know, it decides to fucking pop up. God, I hate like selling on these huge moves down though. There's not even any signs of any bullishness. Like this was bullish right here, but fucking hopefully maybe the 5-minute chart will show me a little bit of bullishness. Either way, it's like if it falls a little bit lower, I'm done. I'm donezo. Pray for me. Literally. Getting a little bit of buying pressure. The three drives the Aldo does. You mean the algo, like the algorithm? What happening and why I'm scared because I am in this crypto. I am in this coin, and if you look at the chart. This chart looks like a shit. This chart looks like very bad. Very, 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 very bad. And I am in this coin from like around here. So I am down. And I hate and it's looking like it wants to go down another 20%. And I can't really afford that. So I'm gonna have to sell. And so my stop loss is very, very, very close to getting hit. Are you saying that this right here is the 3 drive? Like 1, 2, 3? Typically the 3 drive is like, typically 3 drives looks more like higher, like that, you know? But I mean, I guess this could typically be. No, I'm not losing my gains. I don't have any gains on this crypto. I bought it up here, or I bought it. Where did I buy it? Here? I bought it like here. But I'm not losing like, imagine if I had my stop down here, like that would have really fucking sucked. Because like all of these stops got ran for sure. Luckily, I'm good enough to not put my stop loss like down here. And so if I get out here, it's still I could spin it as a win. I could spin this as a win because I didn't get stopped out down here. Although it sort of sucks because I could have gone out for a gain like up here. I could have gone out for a gain like up here for sure. But I I held it. I held it because it had some good like the chart looked pretty good, and like I don't know, this I was told about it by someone who I trust. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. The key to trading the key to trading is to survive. You have to survive. Just don't get liquidated and you're gonna be okay. That's all that matters, right? Don't get liquidated and you'll be good. You know, keep your coins, keep your investments, and you'll eventually win due to market cycles, unless there's something like what happened in what was it 1920 whatever until like 1935 or something. It was like 10 years of not of just basically sideways actions where the market really didn't really do much. But yeah, most of the time, if you play the market cycles, you'll win, and you hold your investments, you'll win. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just I really want this to come back up to like here, to at least like the resistance area again. If this pops up from the resistance area again from where it is, I don't know what should I do. I will praise the Lord. Because I wish I saw this 4 hours ago. This is the reason why this is so bad is because of these super long wicks. So when you see these super long wicks at the top, like that's basically saying that people were just like selling into these wicks. Like the bit smart money was like selling into these wicks, right? So it means that there's a crazy amount of resistance right here. Just like how if you see this at the bottom, if you see something like this but except if it's at the bottom of the range, then that's really, really, really good, because it means that there's all the people were buying, all the smart money was buying at the bottom. So I really don't like how this is like this, but it's such a new coin. Anyway, honestly, I have my whatever. I have my stop in place. If I get stopped out, it's gonna suck because I did go a little bit heavy into this one, like a little fucking heavy. I got excited when my friend like basically tweeted about this, and I was like, all right, fuck it, let's get this, and I bought it. Bought the Pico fucking top. That's the last time. He's so good. He's so good at technical analysis, but like, I'm just not going to listen to him on his fundamental plays because his fundamental plays suck. They were so bad. I think he got it from people, from his friends, and I think his friends just used him as exit liquidity. I'm like 90% sure that's what happened, because he literally was told about it at like the Pico top, and yeah. Anyway, fingers crossed it doesn't wick down and fucking stop me out, but at least everything is down here in the oversold territory, so, and we're still in the bullish order block, so there is hope. There is hope, my friends, for it to come all the way back up to fucking 465. All I needed to do is come back up here. 8.5%. It's going to eventually. The thing that's annoying with leverage trading is that it's eventually gonna come back up here. Like it's gonna do it. Like it's gonna come back up to the top of the range. But if you overextend on the position size, then you can't really afford to wait. I mean, to try, because what if it, like, there's always that like small chance that it doesn't come back up here. The only other thing that I'm thinking though is that I still have quite a bit of capital to work with. Like, I don't have a liquidation price on this because I didn't put enough in, but like I just don't like the chart. This is the 1 hour time frame. If the candle is closed past 50%. I'm in a what market maker short MMSM. If the candle has closed past 50% of the the order block. So basically, if it's the way that you trade is that if it falls under 50% of the bullish order block, then you're thinking like it's not gonna hold. I mean, because technically, this fell below. Well, did it actually? It hasn't yet. There's still 6 minutes. So if this, you're saying like, all right, but when you say not gonna hold, do you mean it typically just like rolls over, or it just like comes up, to maybe the bearish OB or something, and then falls? I could do Tau and Rio. Damn, I have so many more coins to go through, and I only have an hour left, and I've been spending way too much time on this, just like this bullshit coin right here. What else do I gotta do? I gotta fucking go into, I already did Caspa, Pyth. The thing is, I like, you know, I liked Ethereum, and like on the weekly time frame, look at Ethereum, it's like, this is where we are on the weekly time frame with Ethereum. Okay? Like, basically it broke out, okay? And that was like here on Bitcoin. That's the equivalent of like right around here, right? On Bitcoin. So obviously Bitcoin just like continued up from there. So that's what I'm thinking, is ETH. Yeah, it's going like Like, it's not up very much from the previous highs. What coin is what? What coin it OSIDE like to have a look to see what I see? What does that mean? I don't know. Crash coming, maybe. Maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? All right. So next up, what did I do? What did I do? I just really am not liking. Now we got Sol. Okay, so I'm in Sol. Yo, why are the daily candles so bad? Fuck. Yeah, this daily candle sucks. I can't be in Sol with it when it. Alright, I'm crashing out of Sol right now because yep, I'm out of Sol. This candle looks like shit. Honestly, maybe I should just short it. Maybe I should short Sol. I mean, this looks like it. This looks like it. This looks like a candle that goes up to stop everyone out. All of the shorts from here and here and here, and even the shorts from here and here. Like this looks like a. I think I got a. I think I'm gonna short Sol. I honestly think I'm gonna short Sol right now. Looks like a liquidity grab. Like, okay, so if I were to short Sol, basically the target would be down here at $52. Oh, it was Pyth, Pyth. All right, so this is Solana. Looking at Solana, daily chart looks horrid. Horrid. There's red, there's green, there's the flush, and there's the break in the market structure. Honestly, let me look at this right now. What do you think, guys? Solid trade? Solid trade or not? Yay or nay? That's the question. Dude, I will never look at Cardano. Cardano's, I absolutely despise ADA. I don't know. We got the tap of the resistance, got the liquidity sweep, got the. I'm thinking it's the way to go. Might as well, you know, might as well go for it. Can you even bring this down here? I mean, give it a shot. Let's give it a shot. $64.7. Sure. All right. So there we go. This is the short position on Solana. Yeah, we're doing crypto futures here. I just opened up a short on Solana. And let's take a look at, first off, why don't we just take a look at Bitcoin just real quick. Let me just see what the fuck it's doing. Honestly, I think maybe, it's like, did I choose the worst fucking time for this shit? Looks like the dollar is doing pretty solid. That's probably why. This is the dollar. So if the dollar is going up, Bitcoin is probably going down. I mean, it's up 17% in, like, look at these fucking candles. Look at the weekly time frame on this shit. You know? The fact that it didn't even, I gotta get rid of like half of my fucking drawings now. Yearly open and close. What? 46,000? What is this? So in 2022, 2021 ended the year and 2022 started the year at 46,000. So look at this fucking candle. Are you kidding me? Look at this. That is so insane. That is fucking crazy. Damn. Nuts. Bitcoin at $44,000. I mean, this is the last area right here, 48,000. I think I'm gonna sell everything at 48. Like, I really am not expecting a huge pullback right now, but it's like, you know, is everyone just looking at this fucking 46,000, 40, 45,000, $47,000 area? Like, and so people are gonna, so smart money is selling right now. Like, technically, this is the area where I want to sell everything. It's 46 to 47, 48,000. I was retired. Not anymore. Plus, I sort of love it, so. I gotta keep on going through these charts. What other fucking shit do I have? I have Nexa. Alright, so I didn't do too bad in Nexa. I think I have too much. I don't really like this chart. I don't really like this chart. But I do like buying. And fuck, I bought it. I bought some here. I did buy it here. I bought it here already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is a fucking 5 blow off top. Okay, if it comes down here, if Nexa fucking comes down here, holy, I'm loading the bag. That's what I'm doing. Nah, they ain't gonna cancel that shit. BlackRock already owns everything. Alright, yeah, I'm not really liking the way that this is looking for Nexa right now. Although it is still technically at a good level. It's just not looking amazing, you know? So I'm gonna do. I'm going to attempt to sell. I wonder if you'll be able to see my sell order go through on here. Oh damn, you might be able to see it. It's a 1 minute chart. I gotta twop out of this. I don't think I could just sell everything I have. It would fuck the price up too much. Let's see. What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? I can do this. Let me sell. Let me just put a stop loss in, maybe. All right. So I have that much available balance right now. Honestly, we can't cancel this, cancel this, cancel this. Cancel this order. What do you guys think of Nexa? This is the Nexa chart right here. I don't like the chart, but I like the coin, and I like the level that we're at. So this is a good level. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy some right here, and then I'm going to buy more right here. Let me do this. Buy one, buy two, and then this is no longer, fuck that. This is gonna be a big buy if it hits here. If it hits here. I don't know any. I would say, yeah, I don't know. I do like this though. So the two buy spots for Nexa, if you take the Fibonacci from the bottom, go to the weekly time frame, right? Actually, not the weekly. Go to the daily time frame, and you start off at the bottom, and then go to the top, and then the 61.8 is right here. It's at 9848, but I'm getting it at 10286. That's the best one that I see. Yeah. Let's see if this affects anything. I'm gonna look at the 1 minute chart. I'm gonna sell 10%. Fuck. Look at that. I just sold it. Oh my god, that was 10%. It's fucking moving in at 10% of my portfolio. Yeah, I might have to TWAP this, boys. Might have to TWAP this. Imagine if I did the 100%. Anyway. 4,366. All right, let's see if I do another 10%. Look at that. All right, let's do another 10%. I might be totally wrong here, by the way. It might end up shooting up. This has happened multiple times. I just own a lot. I'm not selling my entire bag at all. That's for sure. I'm holding a lot more. I'm like keeping a lot. I think that'll be good. Yeah, that'll be good. All right, so where's my buy orders? So these are my 2 buy orders for Nexa. Obviously, like, one oh two eight six. It's not too far off, you know? That's not too far down from where we are. Just hope this bull market ain't done, you know? BTC is doing great. Bitcoin's doing amazing. It's just... it's getting pretty fucking close to the golden ratio of the entire macro structure. Which is why... like, not right now. I don't think caution is warranted right now. But, like... yo, what do we got here? What do we got here, guys? But it's getting there. Caution is warranted, is getting to be warranted. Bro, my account is swinging right now with this fucking thing. My account is fucking swinging. If this was the bottom, if this was the fucking bottom, like right here, can you imagine? Can you imagine if this is the bottom, and we fucking rally all the way up here, and I could get out with a banger? That would be killer. That would be absolute killer. We'll see. We will see. If I can get out with a win on Pyth. All I need is a big fucking 6% movement. That's not that much. That's not even that much. It's like, come on. I know you could do it. I believe in you. I believe in you, Pyth. All right, what else do I got? I gotta keep on going through these fucking coins. This is like, so I just did. What did I just do? Where is it? Nexa. I just did Nexa. So, all right, so yeah, for Nexa, I have one buy right here. I'm already in from here actually, but I have a big buy down here for Nexa. So we'll see if it ever, if it hits there over the next few days. It does look like it's on its way down, so So next, Zeph. Let's look at Zeph. Damn. I had such a good buy on Zeph. I was up by so much. I bought the bottom of Zeph. And it went up 40%. and I did not sell. And now I'm at plus. I'm basically at break even at this point. $22.02. Anyway, 22.2. $22.2. And then selling at 29. I think selling at 29 is what I was. What I was gonna do for Zephyr. So this is my play for Zephyr. It's very straightforward. I could totally see this happening too. It comes down here, tags this, pops up. Oh, for sure. For sure. For sure. Let's see here. I'm already in it though. I already have a decent amount, but this is like a long-term hold. Yeah, I mean, it's down 42%. I can't be greedy with this one and sell it like I did with the with Change. I mean with Nexa. This chart doesn't even look as bad. This chart looks okay. This chart looks good, so I don't want to sell any of this. Hold on a second. What? Why is this looking the way that it's looking? It's just not making any sense. $22.5? Shit. Alright, I guess it's 22.5. I thought it was 20. Wasn't it at 20? When it... Hold on a second. So if you take this fib, let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, this is the bottom. This is the top. There it is. 22.4. So it's 22.5. What if you take it from here to here? 21. 20. I don't know where I got 20 from. Yeah, I don't know where I got 20 from. What did I 21.82. Did I what? Where was this charted? 12 hour? What? I guess I did it like that. Yeah, I did it like, I must have done it like that. Okay. Regardless. Alright, well, it's higher up, so you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Sui. Sui. Wait, what? Anyway. Why is this like this? Why do you choose to be the way that you choose to be? If you know where that reference is from, let me know. Okay, cool. I am from the world. I am all over the world right now. Doing some world traveling. Shit, I only got like 15 minutes left. All right, so I did all of those. Oh my god, that is so bad. Okay, I gotta do Adam. I was really hoping for this. I was really hoping for that, but that did not fucking happen. Adam, oh my god, what a piece of shit. I hate you so much. Alright, so basically. Uh, people are like, oh, it's alt season, it's alt season, it's alt season. Dude, this is not fucking alt season, yo. This sucks. This is really bad season. This is like horrible season. June to September. It's great. Fuck. I had so much. I mean, I still have faith in Adam. Let's look at Adam. Let's just look at hashtag Adam. Oh, it was this fucking Poloniex hack that probably screwed a lot of people over. Well, that sucks. But I mean, I guess there's still some hope for it. Let's look at Adam on the USDT chart. Who who flagged? Somebody just flagged my live for harassment and bullying. There's only like 4 people on here, so I'd appreciate it if you didn't do that. Do I have an Adam fan? Maybe it's a fan of Adam. And maybe they didn't like the fact that I said that we weren't in a bull market. At least Adam against USD looks really good. I mean, look at this. This was the big support. So big resistance, huge support, huge support, huge support. Fell underneath of it. Huge support, well, not huge, but support. Fell underneath of it. And honestly, the fact that it came back up here and honestly, it came back up. It formed a few bullish candles, long wick bullish candles. Adam, to be honest, actually looks pretty good on the USD chart. It's just the Bitcoin chart that sucks. And I care about Bitcoin. I care about stacking sats. I don't really care that much about this USD. So that's the issue. But you know what? Like, if it's gonna come up, it's gonna come up to here. So yeah, I mean, this is the level. Like, it has to hold this level on the USD chart. Like, it really needs to hold this level on the USD chart. This is very important. It had this nice liquidity hunt, like fake out right here, which is great. So I think it's gonna. It looks like it wants to continue up from the weekly chart, and the daily chart. Actually, the daily chart looks not too bad either. So I'm not too upset about Atom Cosmos. Well, I mean, I'm upset about it all against Bitcoin, but against USD, it looks good. 14.736. That's gonna be my sell order for Atom. Wait, MEXC does not allow trading via... What the fuck, dude? Dude, I'm getting this... Alright, can't do that. I guess I gotta do USDC. 14.736. All right, all right. Let's hope that Atom gets the pump. Let's hope it gets the pump that it needs because it desperately needs it. All right, so we got Atom. We got Atom in there. Oh shit! I forgot. I need to do. Oh shit! Can I do this? What is Doge 2? What is this? It also says. Alright. So, gotta get back to this. Wow. Mexi does not have Doge against BTC. That is crazy. A little crazy. A little crazy. Anyway, 0.142. At least we got that down. All right, so what else do I need to do? Well, I only got 5 more minutes. Then I gotta go eat after that. Bro, look at ETH against Pete. Oh my god. This sucks. It's not good. Investment account. Look at the rest of my investment account. Alright, I got Tau. I got Metis. Let's look at Metis. Interesting coin right here. So Metis is a coin that's interesting because it looks like it's still in the accumulation phase. And it's possible that this was, you know, some type of deviation before, you know, coming back up into the actual range. So for Metis, this is the range. This is the range. So you want to buy down here and you want to sell up here. And this right here is the last bullish OB. So, sorry, it's a weekly bullish OB. So you could look for that, right? And then you could get in right there. This is the daily, which is within the weekly, which also is a really nice area, which also, get over here. So I would start buying. Yeah. Is Metis on anything else? No, there's no futures contract for Metis. But yeah, this is where I would do for Metis for sure. Boom. That's the way to do it. At least I'm getting stuff done. I mean, I'm putting things in. I'm in it right now. I just I really want to be in it from lower. That's the only issue. But don't we always, you know? All right, so now we got Metis. Basically from 20 down to 18. Yeah, I like Metis down from 20 down to 18. I don't know what should be my position size for this. Take profit, 42.3. That's not a lot. Well, you know, it is what it is. Starburst 20. Yeah, start at 20. 20.09. Yeah, that seems about right. Exponential. Right. Cool. All right, all right, all right. So I have I think this is gonna do it for me. Because I haven't eaten in a while. It's been like 4 hours since I started streaming. 5 hours maybe. It's only been 2 hours. No, it's definitely been longer than that. So wow, I guess it's only been 2 hours for this? There's no way. Either way, I'm going to stop this stream right now. And then I'm going to start it again when I come back. I'll be back in like 2 hours, maybe a little bit less, maybe an hour and a half. And I'm going to start this. I'm just going to start streaming again and going through the charts. It's sort of cool, like streaming, because like, yeah, there's some guys, you know, it's cool. Like, you know, there's a couple people watching. It just, trading could definitely be a very lonely game. So streaming is pretty fun. I enjoyed this. Anyway, I will talk to y'all later. So thank you so much for watching, and I will... Oh, hey, Austin, you got it. Okay, Austin, you get a prize. If you're still watching this, Austin Funk, then reach out to me on Twitter in a DM, and I'll hook you up with something. Awesome. Okay, peace out. See y'all later.